Hello people, so this is my 29th video and I have to say this people that one of the cutest compliments that I've received recently in the past 1 week or something is this one person. He was seeing my videos and then he said you really enjoy making the videos. I mean it just comes through. So I found that very sweet, and it's for that reason alone that I'm very careful about not going and meeting anyone, but I'm so floored, yeah, by that is such a it is an honest observation, right? And I found it very sweet. So that's what. So uh, thank you, Mr. Srini, for making for that sweet comment. I think it's very sweet. So I normally don't mention a person's name, but I think banta hai. It's worth it. It's important to say it when someone's being nice to you. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.